Hello viewer, here's the image we will edit it by using the different features of Photoshop. It's a card where we will make the changes as well. So we will use a filter from the filter gallery, add some sketch there. So let's keep on making the designs, use the image there. We will try to add a paint, make another structure here using that design here. Let's use